GELG has been operating on the metal elements producers market since 1989. From the very beginning, it has been a family-owned and operated business, specializing in providing full customer service in sheet metal working, from the stage of design to the final performance, including delivery. Successive development on such a competitive market is a good recommendation for the company from Czmachów, near Wronki, in the Greater Poland province. The company's activity requires continuous improvement to meet the market's needs as much as possible and to satisfy even the most demanding customers. It is provided thanks to the good technical equipment and well-integrated GELG team. As Mr. Grzegorz Grupiński, the president of the company, explains, each customer is approached individually and they are offered products of high quality delivered on time. An integrated policy of management system, which is in compliance with ISO 9001, helps us to build a position of a recognized producer on both the domestic and foreign markets. In the strategy of development, the management assures the continuation of the previous achievements and also provides for future development of technology and attracting new customers. During its activity, GELG company is especially committed to the quality of work in compliance with the standards of safety and hygiene at work. We also take care of environmental protection, which is proven by the integrated systems ISO 14001-18001. The GELG company has modern advanced machines and equipment for metal sheet processing. Thanks to the technology applied by the company, it is possible to obtain an ideal repeatability of shapes and sizes. The main profile of the company's activity is press forming. The company has a few dozens of hydraulic and power presses featuring a press force of 4,000 tons. Some of these tools are adjusted to be used in the process of continuous production from a feeder. One of the many strengths of the company is a service of providing the welding of elements using plasma welding machines, TIG, MIG, gas torch welding methods and using a welding robot. It provides the possibility of the welding of steel elements, aluminium and acid-resistant high precision of processing in case of a large run and short time of performance. Powder painting. It is yet another stage of production in our company. In this process, epoxide and polyester paints are used. Before being painted, the elements undergo a phosphatizing bath or a nanoceramic bath. The anti-corrosive bath treatment protects the material and provides high durability of the paint that is proven by tests and research, even up to 500 hours in a salt spray chamber. The major strategic products of GELG company are metal canisters of 5, 10 and 20 liters capacity made of steel sheets and new innovative products made of stainless metal sheet. The canisters are used among other things in the car industry, gardening, sailing and healthcare. They are used for transportation and storage of chemicals, liquids, oil products and other substances. The canisters are in compliance with the most restrictive safety requirements, which is proven by the IUV certificates generally accepted in all European countries. They are also aesthetically made, functional and produced in various colors. An especially high precision is required to be maintained during the process of production of all types of instrumentation. Different forms used in production of foamed polystyrene packaging, brake shoes, press forming dies and blanking tools are made here. Inside the company's tool room, parts and elements used in domestic appliances, RTV equipment, industrial ventilation systems, furniture, in motor car and building industry are produced. GELG company has its own office for construction and technology, in which projects are prepared for our in-house needs as well as for outside customers. It is impossible to imagine a precise metal forming without taking advantage of a laser contour bandsaw, which cuts the steel of up to 25 mm thick. One of the elements in metalworking is bending a metal sheet using Cephan or Amanda brake presses. The modern software used, thanks to the possibility of visualization of the technological process, makes it possible to shorten the time of order execution as much as possible. Excellent employees are another strength of the company from Czmachów. Thanks to their experience and continuously improved skills and qualifications, it is possible to improve current production, the quality of the services offered, and also allow us to take up new interesting projects. GELG, it's a company that is worth establishing cooperation with and where it's good to be employed.